gentlemen, this is Smita and the headlines are: two girls saved from Barakar River in Disargarh while one declared dead. Rupee plunged to record low level of 83 against US dollar. One person died in a tragic road accident. Another is in critical condition. The injured were brought to Asansol District Hospital. This news is sponsored by TVS PSJ. According to Manoj Sharma from Salanpur, the accident took place on the national road outside the Ithra intersection of Salanpur police station by Thursday morning. It is known that on this day a lorry collided with an auto. One person died on the spot and one person was injured. After receiving the news, the police of Salanpur police station reached the spot and the injured was taken to Asansol District Hospital for treatment. Detained locals said a person died in a head-on collision between a dumper and an auto on the national highway near Ithra More bypass. He died on the spot. Due to this tragic accident on Thursday morning, there was a traffic jam on the Asansol bound lane of the national highway for some time. The police of Salanpur police station arrived and cleared the traffic jam on the national highway. It is said that the motorists and passengers are residents of Saktodia area of the village. The police of Salanpur police station arrested the driver along with the killer container truck.
Step in rainbow dresses for all types of kids wear. Bastin Bazaar Mode, GT Road, Asansol.
Rainbow Big Shop. All varieties of ladies wear, men's wear and suit pieces are also available. Bastin Bazaar, GD Road, Asansol. Contact number 0341 222 1590. Rainbow Big Shop.
According to the editor Vikas Prasad, three young women drowned on Thursday morning while bathing in Disargarh River under Saktodia Chowki of Pulti Police Station area of West Bardhaman district. Alisa Parveen and Shama Parveen were rescued alive by Saktodia Chowki police and locals. After searching in the river for some time, the police took another girl, Alia Parveen, 14 years, out of the water and took her to Saktodia Hospital. There the doctor declared Alia Parveen dead. Abir Ali, the uncle of the three girls, said that three girls died due to drowning in Damodar River in Disargarh. All three are residents of Yugshala area of Tata in Jharkhand state. She came to her maternal uncle's house in Naya Basti in Burnpur, West Bardhaman. He came to Disargarh Dargah today on Thursday, where this accident happened to him while taking a bath.
আজকে তো আপনি একজন পুলিশ কর্মী হয়ে ডুবে যাওয়া মেয়েগুলোকে বাঁচিয়েছেন, কি হয়েছিল ঘটনাটা বলুন।
এখানে ওরা এসছে মাজারে কিছুদিন স্নান টান করছিল, তিনজন অলরেডি মানে জলে নামে তিনজনা বয়ে যায়, ওরা সাঁতার জানে না। আমরা খবরটা পেয়ে দুজনকে অলরেডি এখানে যে লোকাল বাসিন্দা ওরা শাড়ি কাপড় উদ্ধার করেছে, আমরা পরে এলাম। লাস্টে জায়গা পাওয়া গেল, আমরা 4-5 জন সব ছেলে নেমেছিলাম, লোকে ছিল নেমেছিল, এখানকার লোকে ছিল, হেল্প করছে। আমি নেমেছিলাম, দিয়ে লাস্টে গিয়ে আমার পায়ে একটা ওড়না লাগে প্রথমে, তারপরে মেয়েটাকে পাওয়া যায়। একটা নৌকার সাহায্যে আমরা যাচ্ছিলাম। এত তাড়াতাড়ি না হলে মানে উদ্ধার করা যেত।
আপনি কোথায় কাজ করেন?
আমি সাকতুয়া ফাড়ি।
আপনার কি নাম?
বিশ্বনাথ চা।
लेडीज वेयर के एक्सक्लूसिव शोरूम
स्टाइल, ए हाउस ऑफ फैंसी लेडीज वेयर।
महिलाओं का पसंदीदा शोरूम
स्टाइल, ए हाउस ऑफ फैंसी लेडीज वेयर।
नए डिजाइन के कलेक्शन,
लेटेस्ट स्टाइलिश फैंसी ड्रेसेस,
वो भी बाजार से वाजिब दरों पर।
है एक्सक्लूसिव सूट पीस, लहंगा, ब्राइडल वेयर।
और रेडीमेड ड्रेसों का संभार।
सब एक से बढ़कर एक स्टाइल में
तो फिर इस बार ईद में छा जाएं।
इसराइल्स के कलेक्शन अपनाएं।
Israel's a house of fancy leaves wear.
बस्तिन बाजार रोड आसनसोल।
Call 7602923.
Parbelia Damodar River under Saltod Gram Panchayat regarding preparation for Chhat Puja. Shanti Bhushan Prasad Yadav, Vice President of Nituria Panchayat Samiti, inspected the bank of Chhat Ghat. This news is sponsored by Motion. Shanti Bhushan Prasad Yadav, Vice President of Nituria Panchayat Samiti of Chhat Ghat, inspected. He was accompanied by Saltod Gram Panchayat Pradhan Sumit Sagar Prasad Yadav, Tej Narayan Ram, Ram Shankar Singh, Radheshyam Sao, Anup Pandey and others. According to the information, the Chhat Ghat was inspected during the Chhat Puja on Tuesday to ensure that there is no inconvenience to any Chhat devotee. Repair and beautification of roads and ghats has already been started. During the inspection, Shanti Bhushan Prasad Yadav said that Chhat is a festival of faith and people associated with this culture wait for it for years. Now it has spread across the east. People from other sections are also joining it. During this time, he gave many other instructions to the people, including clearing the buses that have grown on the roadside. Said that there should be no mistake in it.
Admissions open now at St. Christopher Mission School, run by Anglo-Indian Society affiliated to CBSE Delhi. Special features are low affordable fee structure, smart class, well-trained teachers, indoor-outdoor games, transport facility, co-curricular activities, classes from nursery to 12. It's time for your child to explore the creativity. Thank you.
Traffic block on Adra Division. This news is sponsored by India International School, Asansol. Due to track maintenance, work on a line between Kustor Chara section of Adra Division, 3 hours for 8 days traffic block will be imposed from 19 October to 31st October. Short orientation 03594, 03593, Asansol Purulia Asansol Memu passenger will be short terminated and short originated from Adra station, cancelling its journey between Adra and Purulia 8 days. 19 October, 20 October, 21st October, 23rd October, 27th October, 28th October and 30 and 31st October.
Complete yourself with Salika,
Salika Collection.
wholesaler and retailer of salwar suit pieces, lehenga, garara.
Contact Salika Collection in Bastin Bazaar, Asansol 1.
Contact number 8509 608 588.
Vaishali Thakkar's ex-boyfriend Rahul Navlani, arrested in Indore, was main accused in actress suicide case. Vaishali Thakkar's ex-boyfriend Rahul Navlani, who is the main accused in the actress suicide case, has been arrested from Indore. The TV actress, known for her roles in Ye Rishta Kya Kehlata Hai and Sasural Simar Ka, died on October 16 from suicide after she hung herself in her Indore home. She was aged 29. Following this, the Madhya Pradesh police booked an accused couple who are also neighbors of the victim. They have been identified as Rahul Navlani and his wife Disha Navlani. Now Rahul, the prime accused in Thakkar suicide case, was arrested near Indore. Also efforts are on to nab his wife Disha. A suicide note was also recovered from the spot which suggested that she was stressed and harassed by her neighbors. Businessman Rahul Navlani. In his suicide note, Vaishali had accused Rahul Navlani of torturing him physically and mentally, in which Rahul's wife Disha was also supporting him. Rahul is married and has 2 children, but due to his closeness with Vaishali, he was not letting Vaishali get married. Rahul sent a personal photo of him with Vaishali to her fiancé Mitesh Gaur to break the marriage, which was planned to take place in Indore itself on October 20. Fed up with all this, the TV actress had ended her life.
Rekha Matching. Please step in for all kinds of colorful matching poplin rubia, fancy dupattas, other fancy dress materials. TP Market, Asansol. For more information, please contact 96356400.
Explosion at firecracker godown in Madhya Pradesh. 4 killed, several under debris. 4 people died and some others were suspected to be buried under the debris after an explosion at a house where firecrackers were stored in a godown at Banmore Nagar in Morena district of Madhya Pradesh on Thursday. 7 others were injured as the godown was packed with crackers ahead of Diwali. We are investigating whether the blast was due to the gunpowder or due to a gas cylinder exploding. All the injured are critical. They have severe burn injuries, said Morena collector Baki Kartikeyan.
बोल रही हूँ, मेरा नाम इशिता भट्टाचार्य है। ये शाइन एकेडमी हम लोगों ने 2017 में स्टार्ट किया है। ये एकेडमी है स्किल डेवलपमेंट कोर्सेज़ के लिए, जो स्किल डेवलपमेंट कोर्सेज़ करने के बाद बच्चे लोग अपने पैर पे खड़ा हो सकते हैं, क्योंकि ये सारे कोर्सेज़ जो हम लोग करवाते हैं वो सारे जॉब ओरिएंटेड कोर्सेज़ हैं। यहाँ पे हम लोग टैली, जीएसटी, डेटाबेस मैनेजमेंट सिस्टम, एडवांस एक्सेल, हार्डवेयर नेटवर्किंग, मोबाइल रिपेयरिंग, ब्यूटिशियन, बेकिंग का कोर्सेज, पाइथन, C++, जावा, पर्सनालिटी मैनेजमेंट एंड स्पोकन इंग्लिश, ये सारे कोर्सेज हम लोग अभी यहाँ पे रन करवा रहे हैं। अगर कोई ये कोर्सेज सीखना चाहते हैं तो नीचे आप लोगों के साथ नंबर जा रहा है, आप लोग उसको कॉन्टैक्ट कर सकते हैं। ये सेंटर हम लोग का SB गवाई रोड में है।
The rupee plunged by 60 paise to record low levels of 83 for the first time against the US dollar on Wednesday, amid unabated foreign capital outflows and a strong dollar in the overseas market. Besides rising crude prices in the international market and risk-averse sentiment among investors weighed on the local currency, traders said. Previously, Nirmala Sitharaman said that rupee has not weakened but dollar has strengthened. India advises its citizens to leave Ukraine at the earliest. India has issued a fresh travel advisory for its citizens, urging them to leave Ukraine at the earliest. In view of the deteriorating security situation and the recent escalation of hostilities across Ukraine, Indian nationals are advised against traveling to Ukraine. Indian citizens, including students, are advised to leave Ukraine at the earliest by available means. Announced a public notification issued by the Indian Embassy in Kyiv. This is the second notification from the Indian side since October 11, when Russia launched the most extensive missile attack against the Ukrainian capital since the beginning of the war on February 24. India had expressed its deep concern after the missile strikes as it indicated a new phase of attrition in the early 8 months long war.
like, share and subscribe and forward YouTube channel News Moment. For more details and for advertisement, contact editor 9563 830.
No urgent SC hearing on Delhi cracker ban. Let people breathe, spend money on sweets. The Supreme Court said, let people breathe clean air, spend your money on sweets, while turning a petition seeking urgent hearing on the blanket ban on firecrackers in Delhi. The Supreme Court on Thursday turned down a petition by BJP MP Manoj Tiwari seeking urgent hearing of a plea challenging the blanket ban on firecrackers in Delhi. Let people breathe clean air, spend your money on sweets, the apex court said. Earlier in the day, the Delhi High Court refused to entertain a petition challenging Delhi Pollution Control Committee's complete ban on sale and use of all kinds of firecrackers, citing the pendency of issues related to firecrackers before the Supreme Court. Thank you for watching our videos. If you liked it, like, share and subscribe. Press the bell icon for the further notification.